In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp start chatting problem. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Now force close the app and relaunch it. This will remove temporary bugs and this might resolve the issue. Next, launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on the option Offload app and confirm it. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. For the Android device, press and hold on the WhatsApp, click on App Info. Go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next up, check for app update. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, completely delete the WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. Then go to Settings. Now scroll down, head over to the option Apps, find the app WhatsApp and launch it. Now check that the app has proper permissions like contacts, storage and internet access and disable any battery saver or data restriction for WhatsApp. Now download WhatsApp and use it. It will be good to go. So this way you can easily fix start chatting problem in WhatsApp. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.